Hello crafters, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am going to show you how to make this very beautiful and very cute Rakshabandhan special sliding card. So when you will pull this tab, the sister will tie the Rakhi to the brother and they will come closer. And also I have written one secret sentiment on this side. So this is a tiny card on right side, and you can also write any extra message inside the card. So let's get started. For this we need ruler, some half cut pearls, thin double-sided tape, foam double-sided tape, pencil, black marker, scissor, liquid glue, black thick cardstock, some colored papers and some pattern papers. First I am taking this black color 250 GSM cardstock which measures 16 by 13 cm. On the 16 cm side, from left side I am marking on 3, 8 and 13 cm. Similarly mark in the bottom on 3, 8 and 13 cm and just join these markings and make a line. Now rotate your paper and from left side mark on 1.5, 3, 3.3, 3.6, 3.9, 9.1, 9.4, 9.7, 10 and 11.5 cm. Repeat this marking in the bottom part and join all the points and create one line. So it will look like this. Now I am marking 4 slits using my pencil on each corner. And we need to cut these slits using paper cutter. These 4 parts. So start cutting these slits. So this is done. Now we need to cut 2 more slits. So I will show you which part you need to cut. I am just marking using my pencil the part which we need to cut next. So these 2 strips we need to cut again. So take your paper cutter and start cutting this. So this is also done. Now I am taking 2 plastic strips which measures 21 cm by 1.3 cm. Just take one strip, insert through these slits from both the sides and just connect like this. So take one piece of double-sided tape, remove the liner and connect like this. it should be easily movable or slidable. In the same way, I will repeat this process on bottom part. So this is also done. Now I am taking two black cardstock strips which measures 10 by 1.3 centimeter, and take one strip and just insert through these slits like this. So I have just weaved this strip. Now I am adding some double-sided tape on top and bottom part of this strip. Again weave it through these slits and connect on the plastic strip. So remove the liner and connect it. So this is done. So it will move like this. Now I am taking one more paper strip. Just rotate your panel, and on right side I will connect this strip directly on the top of plastic strips. So I have already added double-sided tape on back side of the black strip. So this is done. Now it will work like this. Now I am taking one pattern paper piece which measures 15.5 by 12.5 centimeter, and on the vertical side from the left side I am marking on 4.8 and 7.8 centimeter. Just join these points and make a line. Rotate your paper and from the left side mark on 3 and 12.5 centimeter. Again make lines, and now you need to cut this center part. So this is done. Now I will connect this pattern paper on our black working cardstock. So I have already added double-sided tape on all four corners. Add glue on corner edge only. Remember this thing. So this is done. Now pull both the strips in the corner like this. I have already added double-sided tape on top and bottom on this black strip and this plastic strip. So I am taking one more cardstock which measures 15 by 10 centimeter, and I will connect on top of this. So just remove the liner of double-sided tape and connect this cardstock piece. So now when you will pull this cardstock, both the strips will come in the center. So this is the basic concept of this card. Now I am taking the base peach color card base which measures 30 by 18 centimeter. Just folded this in half, and now I will connect this panel on top of this. So I have already added double-sided foam tape on top of this. Remember one thing, your slider part should be easily movable inside these foam tapes. So now connect this panel on top of the base and check it once that it is working fine or not. Now I am taking one green color cardstock and connecting on top of the slider pulling tab. I have already created two cutouts of brother and sister. I have given the sketch of these siblings in my description box. You can download directly from there and color according to your choice. So now I will connect both these cutouts on top of these black strips. So I am connecting two double-sided foam tape strips on top of these black strips. Just remove the liner and connect both the cutouts. Now when you will pull your tab, the sister will tie Rakhi to his brother. Isn't it very cute and interactive? Oh gosh, I am in love with this card. Now I will decorate this card. So I am inserting one peach color strip behind these cutouts. So just add little glue and connect like this. You can add the strip before adding the pattern paper panel. So this is done. Now I am decorating this with some triangles, some half cut pearls and some handmade paper gifts. Now I am writing the sentiment using my black permanent marker. Hope our bond continues to grow every day. Now I am taking one more cardstock and connecting on top of this sentiment tab so that we can hide our message. So when you will pull this, you can read the message. Also, I have written Happy Rakhi in the center of this card. So the beautiful and interactive Rakhi special card is ready. My project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.